let's go through the steps of hypothesis testing for IQ scores. I claim that the IQ scores of psych students are higher than the general population of the students. General population of students. This is my claim. That first I have to define the parameter of interest. So I say let mu be the average IQ scores of psych students. What we say, we know that in general population, the IQ scores are normally distributed. So we say IQ scores normally distributed with the mean of 100 and standard deviation of 50. Put the null hypothesis as mu that we said is already, we said we define the parameter of interest and we say mu is the average of IQ score of psych student. We say that, okay, we put mu is the same as the IQ score of general population, 100. Then for alternative hypothesis, we say that mu is larger than 100. We want to have enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis. All right, we always work on reject null or haven't got enough evidence to reject null. We say that we have alpha, the significance level is equal to 5%. Comparison distribution is the distribution of the general population, distribution of the scores that are not exposed, you can say. So we say that, okay, I have got the normal distribution, mean is equal to 100, sigma is equal to 50. All right. Now, I take a random sample of one psych student and I notice the observed value, IQ score of that psych student is equal to 130. So, when I say significance level is 5%, so what does it mean? It means that, first of all, have a look at here. This is a one-tailed test because it's directional. We say the IQ score of psych students are higher. So it has got a direction. So we are looking only at the right tail of the distribution. Now, when we say 5% significance level, it means that this area under the curve is 5%. All right? So you have to go look at the probability in the tail of the distribution in the tables, and you will see that this cutoff score is equal to 1.645. This area is acceptance region. This area is rejection region. Now, we have got an observed value of x is equal to 130. For comparison distribution, you can say if it says according to the raw score, what's the comparison distribution? You say normal with the mean of 100 and standard deviation of 50. If it says standard normal, comparison distribution can be written as a standard normal with the mean of 0 and sigma of 1. Now, what do we have to do? We have to standardize 130. So that are observed value. We say 130 minus 100 divided by 15 and we get a z-score of 2. This z-score of 2 falls in the rejection region here. Yeah? And then we say that because it is more extreme than the cutoff score of 1.645, it has fallen into our rejection region. So this is 1.645 and your z-score observed value is 2 and it's more extreme. Here the mean is 0. We say that we have got enough evidence to reject the null, and we have enough evidence to support the alternative hypothesis that the IQ score of psych students are higher than the general population of students. Thank you.